After your gas-powered vehicle hits 60,000 miles, fuel system components become more susceptible to wear, and you may start seeing oil leaks as gaskets and seals harden over time. Changing your vehicle's fluids regularly is one of the most important ways to prevent problems in a high-mileage vehicle. But for added protection, use a B60 high-mileage fuel and oil kit. The oil system rejuvenator contains zinc-based ZDDP and molybdenum to fight friction, heat, and water. It cleans and protects your crankcase and oil system, conditioning and revitalizing seals and gaskets to help stop leaks, while preventing sludge formation to maximize engine life. The fuel system rejuvenator is specially formulated for vehicles with over 60,000 miles to dissolve fuel residue and carbon deposits for a one-tank cleanup of your entire fuel system. Add oil system rejuvenator to your crankcase during or between oil changes. And before your next fill-up, pour fuel system rejuvenator into your gas tank. You'll soon notice restored power, improved fuel economy, and better drivability for miles to come. This tech tip is brought to you by Berryman Products. All American-made, 100 years running.